For anyone who is wanting to try Stitch Fix, I just got my first box. And, oh, hello! And it's got, ooh, style cards. Look at that. So it's got things I can do for my style. It says, Dear Marnie, from No Note from My Stylist. That's exciting. And then in here, thanks for letting us style you. Oh, here's outfit suggestion number 1 with the crochet detail blouse. Watch. Ooh, so it tells me the 5 things that are in the box and how much they would cost if I ordered them. And then this. What do you need to know? So it says discover and decide, share your thoughts, and then send it back, and that's it. So we'll see what we got here. Ooh, unboxing video. I feel like I'm a millennial YouTuber. Ooh, I got a pretty sweater. And, ooh, look at that. Yummy blouse. And another cool looking blouse. And another horizontal stripes, not so sure, but we'll find out. And then a nice pair of jeans. So I will try them on and see what I think. Okay, so this is that first look. It's cute. The pants fit perfectly. Got a little thread on me. And so it is blouse. It's a little tight in the sleeves right here, but I think that's the point. And it's got this pretty crochet detail in the back as well. And it's very cute. It's stylish. You can pair it with a little bit, and it fits. It matches perfectly with my watch. So, yeah. Okay, this is look number 2 here. The Lori crew neck blouse. And they're saying to pair it with like a little open cardigan and jeans, maybe with a straight skirt and a little coat. I'll see what I have. Okay, so this is look number 2, and this little swingy sweater I just happened to have bought not that long ago, and then this is the shirt underneath. And I normally don't go for like blousy blouses blousy blouses like this, because I feel it makes me look a little too bubble like, but these are kind of cute sleeves, and I think they had it paired with slightly lighter jeans. Oh my gosh, it's cold out here. But yeah, not bad, with a little some kind of necklacey thing or something. That should work out nicely. Okay, so this is outfit number 3, 3/4 sleeve raglan knit top, either paired with a blue skirt or khaki pants and a blazer. So let's see.
Now, usually I would say hard pass on horizontal stripes because barely any women like that, but
I will show you that this, I have a little skirt with some Lucky Brand flats right here, and it's actually kind of cute. So I still don't think I'm gonna get it just because crew neck, well, it's a little bit of a boat neck, and vertical stripes 3/4 sleeves kind of annoy me, but this color pattern, not so bad. And this little skirt is super cute. And my little flats, which are actually foldable and very comfortable, so maybe, we'll see. Last item they sent me was the Anna Lee two pocket textured cardigan. And they suggest pairing it with jean shorts, overall shorts, but I don't have. Cute little multicolored shirt or a white dress. So I'll see.
Okay, I'm losing my light, but I think I have time for one more. So this is the cardigan that they sent me, and I didn't really have anything that was like what they had in the picture, but I found this little top and this, and with their big cut pants that they found me,
it's okay. It's got nice details on the back.
And I think they were going for something that was like about the relative length of the cardigan, but yeah, I don't think it's flattering. I don't think it's flattering on my person. So, fix my hair. So those are my stitch fixes on this first box. Kind of exciting. Yeah, I mean, it's cute. It looks more brown in the video, but it's kind of a an army gray or army green. But yeah, I think I'm gonna keep the jeans because I had a $50 credit from my friend Hillary. Thank you, Hillary. And so I think I'm gonna keep the jeans. But the shirts, I mean, they were okay, but they didn't make me feel comfortable in them. They were nice, but I just didn't feel quite comfortable in them. So I'll give my stylist that feedback and we'll go from there.